Number 1. The 1966 Plymouth Valiant, priced at $8,500, is located in Selden, New York. It is in excellent condition and ready to be enjoyed immediately. Powered by a 318 two-barrel engine, the car delivers sufficient performance for a comfortable family vehicle while still turning heads. The power roof operates smoothly, as do the hidden power headlights. The interior is decent, with somewhere noticeable on the seats, especially in the front. The undercarriage and suspension show a solid structure with minimal rust. The body panels are straight, with no major damage. The seller is open to price negotiations if the buyer opts for factory chrome wheels, which are still in great condition, making this a complete package for car enthusiasts. Number 2. The 1965 Ford Falcon four-door sedan base model, priced at $4,500, is located in Chambersburg, Pennsylvania. This left-hand drive LHD Classic features a 170cc inline 6 engine, paired with a 2-speed Ford-O-Matic automatic transmission. The car is well maintained with a neat interior, metallic flake finish dash and doors, plus additional exterior accessories like a visor and Cadillac-style taillight lenses. The brakes have been upgraded with new drums, cylinders, and a master cylinder, along with a replaced differential seal. Accessories like wheel spats and chrome weather guards are included if sold at the asking price. However, the car has been in use for some time, leading to slightly sticky drum brakes. There's rust on the door corners and rear wheel arches, and the transmission requires servicing. The flame paintwork is hand-painted rather than a decal. The car is sold unregistered and without license plates. Number 3. The 1973 Buick Centurion, priced at $14,500, is located in Morganton, North Carolina. With a well-documented history, Dr. Lloyd Hamm purchased the car on January 22, 1973, with just 16 miles on the odometer. It was driven daily until 1979 and stored since then, accumulating only 73,000 miles. The car is powered by a 455 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor, automatic transmission, air conditioning, power steering, and power disc brakes. Other features include a tilt wheel, tinted glass, AM/FM radio, and cabin lights. The interior remains original and looks nearly new. It received a repaint several years ago due to poor storage conditions, while the vinyl top remains original with no rust. Solid floors and a sturdy trunk. The car does have minor paint touch-ups, notably on the passenger side fender. Overall, this classic cruiser comes with factory chrome wheels, a jack, and a spare tire, representing originality and excellent care over its 50-year lifespan. Number 4. The 1963 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $11,000, is located in Redwood City, California. Equipped with a 6.4L 390fe engine, this car has undergone numerous upgrades, including a new paint job, new wheels and tires, a new exhaust system, and a complete brake system conversion with a dual brake booster. Electrical updates include a new alternator, spark plug wires, a power window motor, and 2 interstate batteries. The fuel system and power steering components, such as the fuel pump, fuel tank, and power steering pump, have also been replaced. The audio system features a 15-inch Scar subwoofer, multiple speakers, and modern amplifiers. However, the interior needs attention, as the seats have minor damage, and the fuel gauge is stuck on full due to a grounding issue. The car's glossy red paint and classic design turn heads, though the owner lacks the time for further upkeep. Number 5. The 1973 Dodge Charger SE, priced at $15,000, is located in Erie, Pennsylvania. This car is in good overall condition, featuring a dark exterior with a distinctive fastback design for a sporty classic appearance. It is powered by a 383 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission, known for delivering strong performance. While the car runs well, its electrical wiring needs attention. The bodywork and interior are well preserved, showing no significant damage. The seller is open to trades for vehicles like Cummins, Power Stroke, or family SUVs, depending on the trade value. Number 6. The 1984 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab short bed, priced at $12,500, is located in Huntington, Pennsylvania. This modified truck features a 1968 Camaro 327 engine with Camel Hump 2.02 heads, providing power and speed. The engine has a new carburetor and may have been recently refreshed. It is paired with a turbo 400 transmission and a G-body open drive rear end. The suspension remains stock. The 10-year-old paint still looks good. The black interior includes comfortable seats and a floor shifter, replacing the original column shifter. The truck bed wood is in decent condition, and the front and rear bumpers are newly replaced. The wheels feature 54 Baby Moon hubcaps and new white wall tires. For a retro classic look, ideal for daily use with satisfying performance. Number 7. The 1969 Ford Mustang Mach-1 Coupe, priced at $16,200, is located in Paterson, New Jersey. This Mustang is equipped with a 200 CI 6-cylinder engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. Its dark blue exterior, paired with a light blue interior, create a classic and attractive combination. The body is solid, with no major dents or rust. All lights, turn signals, and the Bluetooth-enabled stereo work well. The interior is clean with recent replacements, including spark plugs, a distributor cap, and a rotor. The battery was replaced in December 2024. The car has clean paperwork and is registered. It's easy to drive, though it retains manual brakes and steering. Some cosmetic aspects may need attention for a full restoration, but do not affect drivability. Frequently praised at car shows, it has always been garage kept and never driven in the rain. It's suitable as a daily driver or as a base for AV8 conversion, selling due to the owner's focus on other projects. Number 8. The 1958 Chevrolet Biscayne, priced at $18,000, is located in Antelope, California. This classic car is equipped with a 305 V8 engine and automatic transmission. The engine features many new components, including a starter alternator, voltage regulator, fuel pump headers, and a dual exhaust system with glass packs. The top end of the engine was recently rebuilt, but currently won't start, possibly due to electrical issues, since the replaced voltage regulator only worked temporarily. The exterior is straight with no dents, featuring a classic red and white paint combination. The interior needs door panels, but is otherwise in good condition, selling for $11,000, or open to trades for trucks or old-school lowriders. Number 9. The 1973 Buick Riviera Coupe 2D, priced at $10,000, is located in Medway, Massachusetts. This iconic automobile combines elegant styling with high performance. Powered by a 430 cubic inch V8 engine, it delivers ample power and a smooth driving experience. The car is largely original, including its reported mileage, though some components require attention. The A6 compressor leaks are 12 refrigerant and needs repair or replacement, while the rear defogger cover is missing, professionally repainted. The exterior looks exceptional. The interior boasts luxury touches, like real wood trim around the center console and a horseshoe-shaped shifter. While the dashboard is crack-free, the steering wheel shows signs of wear. A rare opportunity to own this beautiful classic before it's gone. Number 10. The 1971 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab long bed, priced at $8,900, is located in Guilford, New York. This modified and well-maintained truck features a powerful 383-stroker engine, paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. It includes an electric fuel pump, a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, and an aluminum radiator for optimal cooling. The truck has tilt steering and upgraded brakes with a booster and dual-chamber master cylinder. Dual Flowmaster exhausts add a distinctive sound, and the gas tank has been relocated to the rear for better space utilization. The truck rides on airbag suspension and deep-dish chrome wheels. The interior includes new black carpeting and a bench seat, while the bed features restored wood and stainless strips. Recently re-chromed trim, including wheels, enhances its shine. The price is negotiable. Number 11. The 1972 Pontiac Lemons, priced at $7,000, is located in Colebrook, New York. This classic has undergone essential repairs for enhanced performance and reliability. The engine and transmission have been rebuilt for optimal power. It features a new cooling system, starter, and brakes on all four wheels. New wheels and tires add aesthetic and functional value. However, visible rust on the cabin floor may require welding or panel replacement. The body is in fair condition, with minor imperfections needing light repair, offering great potential for a full restoration. It's ideal for collectors or enthusiasts who appreciate its historical significance. No lowball offers or trades will be considered. Serious inquiries only. Number 12. The 1958 Pontiac Chieftain, priced at $11,900 and located in Cookeville, Tennessee, is a remarkable opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. Featuring an original V8 engine, which runs smoothly, and a well-functioning automatic transmission, this vintage beauty is ready for the road. The dashboard instruments are fully operational, and the braking system has been upgraded, with new brake lines and wheel cylinders for added safety. While the body is mostly solid, some areas, such as the doors, exhibit rust that will require attention. The paint, showing its age, has begun to fade but still carries the charm of its era. Inside, the interior is complete and retains its vintage appeal, though it could benefit from minor restoration work. With its blend of originality and potential, this 1958 Pontiac Chieftain is an excellent candidate for a stylish cruiser, restoration, or a solid entry into the world of classic car ownership. Number 13. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS, priced at $18,500, is located in New York, New York. This Camaro features a well-maintained red exterior with a clean vinyl top. Custom large wheels enhance its sporty, modern look. The interior is in excellent condition, with cream leather seats and an original dashboard layout. Powered by a high-performance 383-stroker engine, it includes a Stage 3 racing cam, long tube headers, and a custom exhaust system. The engine has been fully rebuilt with aluminum cylinder heads and new components, such as push rods, rocker arms, valve springs, lifters, and gaskets. A modified rear differential with a 3.73 gear ratio ensures high performance. Selling due to time and space constraints, this is a fantastic opportunity for muscle car enthusiasts. Number 14. The 1960 Ford F-100, priced at $15,000, is located in Antioch, California. This bright yellow F-100 is in excellent condition. It comes with a pink title and has had only 2 previous owners. Powered by a 292 V8 engine, it includes a new fuel tank, fuel lines, an electric fuel pump, a new starter, tires, a battery, and a water pump. Its well-maintained classic look, combined with mechanical upgrades, makes it perfect for vintage truck collectors or enthusiasts. Number 15. The 1960 Chevrolet Impala LS Sedan 4D, priced at $1,400, is located in King George, Virginia. This modified classic features a 1969 Mopar 440 high-performance engine. It has modern upgrades, including power steering, front disc brakes, rear drum brakes, and a rack and pinion steering system. The body is straight and solid, with good glass and a comfortable leather interior. New dolphin gauges are installed, though the air conditioning system is non-functional, combining classic charm with modern touches. This car is ideal for collectors or fans of retro modifications.